friends. This is Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, this was a chicken that was being cooked on the stove. Yes. Hot and spicy chicken curry stew. Yes. So this is my dinner for today, Sunday. This is a cabbage and carrot salad with tomato and cucumber. Yes. Cabbage and carrot with tomato and cucumber. And this is the hot and spicy chicken curry stew with romaine lettuce and of course seasoned rice. Yes, seasoned rice, special seasoned rice with green peas and yellow corn. And to top it off with some nice refreshing cran grape. Yes, ocean spray cran grape. And some Italian salad dressing to go in the salad. Yes, this is what I will be having for my dinner. And you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. So from stove to plate and from plate to my tummy. And the food is saying, hello tummy, I am waiting, don't keep me waiting too long. I'm hungry. My mouth is running water. Yes. Because the aroma is so refreshingly delightful. And the hot and spicy curry chicken stew is so yummy yum. Appetizingly delicious. Yes. This salad here, I'm gonna enjoy this salad right here. Yes, you're seeing